Unpacking, rain check. What does this common phrase really mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where learning English is both easy and fun. Today, we've got a really interesting phrase to unpack. Rain check. You might have heard this phrase in movies, songs, or even among friends. But what does it actually mean? Stick with us, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand it, but you'll be able to use it just like a native speaker. Let's start with a bit of history. The term, rain check, originated in the United States in the 1800s. It comes from baseball, where spectators were given a rain check, a ticket that allows them to come back and watch another game if the one they were attending was interrupted by rain. From this literal meaning, it evolved into the figurative phrase we use today. In modern usage, when someone takes a rain check, they are essentially saying, "Let's do this another time." It's a polite way to decline an invitation with the implication that you're interested, but just can't participate right now. Importantly, it carries the connotation of wanting to reschedule rather than canceling altogether. Let's see how to use rain check in everyday conversation. Imagine a friend invites you to a movie, but you have to work late. You might say, "Can I take a rain check on the movie tonight?" Here, you're expressing your desire to go to the movie at a different time. Interestingly, the phrase can be slightly modified. You might hear someone say, "I'll have to give you a rain check." This is just a different way of saying the same thing. Whether you're taking or giving a rain check, the meaning remains consistent. You want to postpone the plan rather than decline it outright. Now, let's talk about the cultural aspect. In some cultures, declining an invitation outright can seem abrupt or even rude. In English-speaking countries, particularly in America, offering a rain check is a friendly and polite way to handle such a situation. It shows that you value the relationship and the offer made by the other person. And there you have it. You now know the history, meaning, and usage of the phrase, rain check. We hope this has cleared up any confusion and that you're excited to use it in your own conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about culture, history, and social interaction. Keep learning with us, and you'll become more proficient every day. Until next time, take care, and maybe, just maybe, we won't have to take a rain check on our next lesson.